Thank you. Thank you so much for all your birthday wishes. Well, today is the birthday, and I have been receiving these special gifts and blessings since yesterday, and I'm so grateful. Well, today is the birthday, and this is a corona birthday for a change. I hope the next year birthday is going to be different, of course. But I want to make this birthday a bit special if you could let me do it. This is the first check that I got when I started off with my organization. As you know that I have a business that I run. The most important factor why I got this check or why I have laminated it is because this was the first earning that I did, which came to me because of a reference given by a family friend. So the most important factor what I would like to have this birthday, if you would like to gift me, is your blessings. And these blessings could be in form of references. Each and every reference that you could give me, if you know someone who would need the services that we have to offer, would ultimately help my business, and that would be the best birthday gift ever. Well, we have 4 different offerings that we have developed in the recent past, where we have a portal which can help customers, which can help companies sell more because we have created a sales automation tool. We also have a virtual exhibitions portal with which you can actually create virtual exhibitions and help customers sell their products across boundaries. We also have our own video conferencing tool, so you could also refer me to someone who might be doing a lot of meetings or conducting webinars, or maybe for that matter trainings. And we being in digital media, one of the most crucial element is we would also like to offer help or support companies to bring them on board into the digital platforms so that they can grow and increase their reach for their respective products. Each and every reference that you give me is going to be handled with special care because it is a reference given by you. So, to ensure that you could send us the references, we have created a small website which is given below. You can simply go to this link, choose the specific product for which or the service for which you would like to refer us, click on it, a pop-up will open where you can mention your name, the name of the reference that you would like to give, their phone number, their email address, a small note if you would like to have which will help us connect with them better, and just click on submit, and I would have received your gift. Well, I know it's a corona birthday and the time has been crazy since past 7 months, but this birthday is really special for me, and you could make it much more special with your references. Do shower your blessings. I'm extremely grateful for all this life journey so far and all your supports and blessings so far, and I look forward for more. Thank you again for all your birthday wishes and all your blessings. Thank you so much.